really busy week, so I thought, okay, this would be a perfect time to film all about college. I don't have class on Mondays, but I have a lot of assignments due this week, so today I'm going to be working on a painting. I have to go to Michael's and get a bunch of art supplies. Tomorrow I have a full day of school, so I'm going to vlog that. Wednesday I have a final and 2 online classes and a bunch of assignments to do, so I want to show you guys how I make school more exciting. That is like a long list of stuff coming up, and it's stressful, but I'm going to make it fun and I'm going to get through it, and it's going to be great. Right now I'm going to set up in my living room and start painting. I'm painting with oil paint for this project, and we're doing fruit, and so far it's coming out pretty good, but I need to get this done, so I have today, tomorrow, and Wednesday to finish this. Here's my setup. I've been out here for like 3 hours now, and here is my progress. It's coming along really well. It's just so time consuming. I kind of got this center apple almost done. I touched up the orange a little bit. I still have so much to go. Like, it's ridiculous, but it's coming along really good, so I'm excited. I've also been watching Bridgerton. I'm on episode 5, and it's actually so good. So I just painted for a few hours. I am so tired. My back hurts. So I'm taking a break. I'm going to Michael's right now. I've been needing to go because I need to get tracing paper. I'm taking a final actually on Wednesday. I still have like a month of school left, so we're taking it super early. And then after the final, we'll still have work to do, but this is like what we've been building up to all semester. So I'm excited just to get it done. I'll show you guys when I take it on Wednesday what we have to do, but we're basically drawing human anatomy, and we have to do all these different layers to show our process of drawing the human body. It's really cool. It's a really interesting process. So since I'm doing this on paper instead of digitally, I have to get tracing paper, and then I might also pick up a canvas because I've been really into the oil painting lately and I want to make something on my own time. So we're gonna head over there right now. Canvases and pad of tracing paper. Good morning, guys. I want to show you how much stuff I have in my hand right now. This is what I have to carry. Like, oh my, I have like 3 cups in my hand. All right. I'm ready. I'm going to school right now. It is 6:50 and I need to drive there. I have an hour drive and it's gonna be a long day today. So I'm on my way to school. I packed a coffee this morning. This is an iced oat milk coffee, and I'm gonna drink this on my way to school and in my first class. And then for lunch, I packed some ramen in this iCarly soup can. I have 3 classes today, and 2 of them are 3 hours long. So it's just gonna be a long day. Okay guys, so I made it to school. I need to start heading in. So I'm wearing a comfy outfit today as usual. I have on this hoodie and some yoga pants, but I'm just gonna wear this hoodie for the first class. So my outfit will be this today. So I just finished my first class. It went really well. I got a lot of stuff done on my painting, so I'm super happy about that. It's like, I'm not trying to rush, but it has to get done soon. So right now it is 10:45. I have enough time to walk to my car, have a snack, and chill for a few minutes, and then walk to my next class. My next class is 3D art. Look at my ramen. My next class is 3D art. It's another 3-hour class. Usually I pick up a lunch from the store. I didn't have time, and this morning I was like, what could I make super fast? Ramen. Yeah, it's pretty fire, honestly. I'm so tired. My back hurts so bad. I have like crazy back problems, and every day I'm just in so much pain. Like literally I'm sitting in class, especially in painting, because we have to like go up to the easel and like with our paintbrush like all class for 3 hours. Oh, my shoulders just hurt so bad. I have to like take breaks and lean back and like massage my shoulders for a few minutes. My car has heated seats though, so sometimes I'll turn on my car in between classes and heat it up super hot. The heated seats get really hot in here. It'll also heat the back of my seat, so it'll kind of be like heat on my back, and it feels really good. I'm gonna get my nails done soon also. I'm just so used to having acrylics on, so when they're not, it just looks so weird to me. So I'm gonna chill for a little bit, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm walking to my next class. Alright guys, I finished up school. I am so tired. What a day. It is 3:20 right now. I'm exhausted. Tuesdays are my long days, so once I'm done with Tuesdays, it's very relieving. I am gonna vlog the rest of my day. Tonight I'm gonna work on an essay, reading, I have to do a discussion post, I have to work on my painting, but for now I'm gonna drive. I have an hour drive home, but I'm gonna film the rest of my day when I get there, so I will see you guys then. Going to Starbucks is one of my favorite things to do when I have a ton of schoolwork, because I'm able to get so much stuff done, and it's also so much more fun to work on my homework at a coffee shop. So today I ordered an iced caramel macchiato with oat milk, and I worked on an essay, reading, taking notes. I also had a discussion post to do, and I got so much stuff done. I don't know what it is, but just working in different environments like this, I'm able to get so much school stuff done. Like, I feel like just being in a coffee shop and doing my work is such a vibe. So I'll do this anytime I have a lot of schoolwork built up. I swear there's something in the air at Starbucks, because every time I go, I'm able to get so much work done and be so productive. I took my quiz, I did notes, I did my reading, I did so much stuff. I need to finish up a few assignments, and I need to work on my painting tonight. This is the college life, guys. I try to dedicate like 3 days of my week just to school so that I don't have to worry about it the rest of the week. That's just what works best for me. So I do my classes, homework, quizzes, anything I need to do during those 3 days, I do it. School's a big part of my life, but I don't want it to be like everything I have to do, you know what I mean? I want to have time for YouTube and working on my stuff, as well as relaxing and having fun. I feel like school is all about trying to learn to balance your time. Anyway, I also didn't finish my coffee. It's really good though. Alright, so in the morning I had my anatomy final, which was this long process we've been learning about all semester, and we had to basically draw a ton of muscles in the human body. It was so hard and it was such a long process, but I'm pretty happy with the results. We had to label all the muscles as well. It was crazy, but I'm really happy with it, honestly, and I think I did pretty well. At that point in the semester where I'm like getting unmotivated, like I don't want to do my assignments anymore, because it's like I see the finish line, like I see the end of the semester, and I'm like, okay, if I just like stop doing assignments now, I could still pass the class, but I don't want to do that. You know what I mean? I want to get it done, finish out strongly, just like I was doing the entire semester, and end with good grades. I usually end with straight A's. That's what's been happening the last few semesters, so hopefully this semester I get straight A's as well. Today I've had the longest day ever. I woke up and had my 3-hour figure drawing anatomy final. It was so stressful. Like, seriously, it was so much work. It was ridiculous, but I got that done. I submitted my essay, I took a quiz, I started my discussion post, and I'm almost done with my painting. I worked on it a little bit too. So, what a morning. I mean, just so stressful, just so much stuff going on. I'm leaving for Coachella tonight, so I have to go get my nails done right now, but I just have a lot going on today, so I want to update you guys. I'm gonna work on my painting more today, and I'll finish that discussion post.